everyone, welcome back to Nettie's Recipe Bowl. I'm Nettie. Today we're making a hearty beef stew. This is the ultimate comfort food, perfect for chilly days or when you want slow cooked to perfection. Let's dive right in. This one-pot recipe is packed full of tender chunks of chuck roast, flavorful vegetables, and a rich broth. Okay, let's get our veggies prepped. I got 4 large carrots. We're cutting into about 1 inch to 1.5 inch chunks. 2 stalks of celery. And you can add more or less of the celery or the carrots, whatever you like. We'll need about 2 pounds of Yukon Gold yellow potatoes. I don't recommend using the russet potatoes. They tend to get a little mushy. White potatoes or red potatoes are good also for this recipe. We're cutting them into about 2-inch chunks. And we'll cut up 1 large onion. And we're going to be using a 2-pound chuck roast. And chuck roast is the perfect cut of meat to use for a slow cooked stew. Okay, let's get this salt and peppered. And we're going to sprinkle some flour on it. That's going to help thicken our broth a little bit. Now add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the bottom of your Dutch oven and let that get good and hot before you add in your beef. And we added our 2 tablespoons of olive oil to our Dutch oven and we got that oil good and hot. Listen to that sizzle. Just on that. That's what's going to add the depth and flavor to our beef stew. Now that our meat is brown, we're going to scrape up all those delicious bits and we're going to deglaze it with 1 cup of red wine. Then we're going to add 3 cups of beef broth. Worcestershire sauce, garlic, tomato paste, and all our vegetables. Some salt and pepper, bay leaves, and some fresh herbs. I'm using some rosemary, some thyme, 350 degrees for 3 to 4 hours. Okay. Our beef stew is ready. Look at that. Our vegetables are perfectly cooked. The beef is tender and juicy. How about that served up with a loaf of homemade bread or a fresh baked biscuit? Taste the depth of the flavor from browning of the meat, the dry white or dry red wine we put in that. Delicious. I forgot to throw in the peas at the end, but here it is finished with the peas. Hey, I don't know if you noticed, but today I'm rocking my cozy fall sweatshirt from our exclusive foodie and griller apparel collection. Perfect for these crisp autumn days.